Trading is all about probabilities, meaning before you enter a trade, you want to have most of the odds in your favor. As mentioned before, the use of technical analysis, candlestick patterns, and other important indicators will increase the odds of being on the right side of the trade at the right time. To increase the odds even further, another good habit to have before entering a trade is to check how a particular sector or industry is performing, especially if you're planning to trade a stock that belongs to that particular sector or industry. Before you trade your own money, find out how that sector or industry is doing. The rule of thumb is 20-80, just like for the indices. If the sector is performing poorly and it is producing losses, 80% of the stocks related to the particular sector are also going to be in red. On the other hand, if the sector is performing well, expect 80% of the stocks related to the particular sector to also perform well. The terms sector and industry are commonly used interchangeably. However, the word sector refers to a specific segment of the economy, where industry is used to indicate a subdivision of a sector, and it refers to a more specific group of companies. There are 9 major sectors and hundreds of industries. The major sectors to watch are the following: material, energy, financial, industrial, technology, consumer staples, utilities, consumer discretionary, and healthcare. These symbols are sector select ETFs tracked by the SPDR, and they give us a pretty reliable indication of what the general trend of each sector is. If you are planning to go long, buy stocks that belong to sectors that are in an uptrend. If you are planning to go short or to close positions, sell stocks that belong to sectors that are in a downtrend. Let me just give you an example. Here we have my execution platform. I want to go into the sector, and I go one by one. Energy sector, it's on a downtrend, partially recovering, but still on a downtrend, so I will not buy stocks that belong to the energy sector. Healthcare, absolutely, uptrend, so I will invest in stocks that belong to the healthcare sector. Basic material, downtrend, absolutely, I won't invest in stocks that are in the basic material sectors. Communication services, going sideways, so this could be 50-50. At this point, I would not be interested. Utilities, definitely in an uptrend, so I would be buying stocks that belong to utilities sector. Consumer defensive, absolutely. Uptrend, pullback, great time to buy. Industrials. If he breaks above this level of resistance, I will definitely consider buying stocks that belong to the industrial sector. Financial services, possibly, but same idea. There is a resistance up here. If this resistance is taken out, I might consider investing in stocks that belong to the financial sector. Technology, yes, it's still on a sideways at this level, but this is a pullback and it's about to break this level of resistance up here. So I will expect the technology sector to move a bit higher. Real estate, absolutely. After this big pullback, look at this big move to the upside. So this is also real estate. Stocks that invest in the real estate definitely would be a good sector to buy stocks in. And finally, consumer cyclical. Yes, sideways, big pullback, big downtrend, big reverse, another pullback, and now the sector is start moving higher. Probably taking out this resistance line right here.